Woo! Hey everyone, this is Darren from Daily Crypto Trading. It's coming to you live from Bangkok, guys. It is absolutely a great time to be alive, guys. Remember, everything you see here is not financial advice. It's just the OG in-house expressing my opinion. I'm not a licensed financial advisor. What the heck is going on, guys? We're seeing amazing stuff happening for the crypto space. We're seeing amazing stuff happening for Itty Bitty Baby. We're going to be talking about Itty Bitty Baby has broken past a huge resistance level, and this is fantastic, guys. We're seeing that also Dogecoin is broken past a huge resistance level, and we're going to be seeing Dogecoin could be going up from here, and definitely we could be easily seeing 7.8 coming in, guys. Just over 7 cents coming in for the Doge Awards. So I'm excited. You should be excited too, and it's a great time to be alive. I'm up here on the top of the world here in Bangkok, guys. I don't know if you can see that out there, but I'm on top of the world, guys, and it's a great time to be alive. My portfolio is looking a lot better. Your portfolio should be looking a lot better as well. So if you dollar cost average, you guys are getting the rewards right now, absolutely right now. The only other thing that's got me a little bit worried right now is the biggest Bitcoin wallet, the third biggest wallet out there, has just sold another 16,000. I repeat, another 16,000 Bitcoin. That's about $375 million has gone down, and he's sold, guys. So sure, it sounds like a broken tape recorder, but I'm worried. I'm getting worried out there, and you should be worried too out there, because if this guy keeps selling, could this be a bear trap, guys? Could this be a bear trap? Could this be like a bear trap, and then suddenly we're going to go ka-chunk down? And we're seeing also Solana. Solana right now is also making some movity moves, so we're going to be talking about that and much more. But I'm going to show you some huge bottom indicators, that makes me believe that the bottom is absolutely in, guys. So I don't think we're going to be going down, down. I think this is the reversal to the upside, guys. And I'm feeling so excited. You should be feeling excited. I'm feeling pretty excited. So guys, let's jump into the content. Let's get it. Let's get excited. Let's go down the crazy crypto rabbit hole with the OG, guys. So let's get it right now. All right, guys, let's go down the rabbit hole. Let's get into it, guys. Please go back and watch all my other videos, guys. Absolutely do that. Get it. And if you're not watching all my videos time and time again, shame on you. Get these links and share them with your friends, guys. Absolutely share. Get the message out there, guys. So let's take a look at what's going on with the heat map right now. So the heat map is looking glorious. We're seeing that BTC is over 23,452, and that's up 6% today, guys. And that is fantastic. We're seeing Ethereum is pumping, guys. We definitely need to see Ethereum get above $1,600. That's kind of our next resistance zone. So everything's looking pretty good. We're seeing green machine everywhere, guys. So I love the green, you love the green. So if you take a look at the fear and greed index right now, the fear and greed index is up slightly from yesterday. So that's a positive sign. We're still seeing that the sentiment is still pretty much positive out there. So I'm so excited. And right now we're seeing that yesterday the US markets, they closed in the green, guys. Wow. So we're seeing green everywhere. We saw the Nasdaq was up almost 3.3%, guys. So that is a cool beans in the house, guys. I'm just adjusting my camera here. It's overexposed. There we go. So we're seeing that the S&P was up and the Dow Jones was up as well. So that wasn't hurting. That definitely wasn't hurting crypto out there. So that was positive. But one of the things that has me concerned right now is that we did see that yesterday again that the third biggest Bitcoin wallet, and zooming in right here, he did sell 16,000 Bitcoin yesterday, and that was for a whopping 375 million. And he did sell at 23,440. So that is pretty close to where we are right now. So hopefully he doesn't continue this selling, because if he continues selling, then he knows something that we don't. Maybe this is a bear flag. Maybe we're going to go down, down, and that all the bottom indicators for Bitcoin have been invalidated out there, and we've all been wrong. I hope I am not wrong, and I hope that this is the reversal that we've been looking for, guys and gals. So let's take a look at the coins in the house right now. Time recording, guys. Don't beat me up. Remember, by the time you watch this, it could be about an hour's delay, guys, and anything happen. Aliens could land and take over the world in less than an hour, guys. So let's hope that doesn't happen. So let me make this a little bit bigger and clearer for you guys. So right now we're seeing itty bitty babies up about 5.83%. So that is looking glorious. We're seeing that over the 30-day time frame, the 7-day time frame, everything is just going boom chakalaka up. We're seeing Ethereum is is going nuts right now. But Ethereum is lagging Bitcoin right now, so that is not good. That is a bad move, because if Ethereum is lagging, then that could drag down the altcoins, and we could see the Bitcoin dollar start to move up, guys. We're seeing the BNB Beast Coin is up 3%, so that's looking pretty good. ADA is above 50 cents at 52 cents at 8.78, and that is hallelujah in the house, guys. I don't know what to say, so things are looking pretty. We're seeing Solana is also coming back as well with a vengeance, and the Doge Awards are up almost 4%, guys, and it's about to break past 7 cents in the house. Let's get it. And Automatic is back. Automatic, it did go nuts, and it's up 155% this month. People did take some profits over the last 36 hours, but it's coming back, guys. We're seeing also Shiba is up as well, guys, so that is pretty good in the house, guys and gals. So we're seeing that the total market cap is over $1.1 trillion, guys, so that is pretty exciting. And right now we're seeing that Bitcoin right now is looking very, 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 very positive. It's broken past my descending triangle. It's broken past the 23,800 level, the 22,800 level, and right now we are screaming along at $23,375 at time of recording. Now, if we take a look at Bitcoin on the 4-day chart, we can see right now that Bitcoin right now is still looking pretty good, but we have this death cross, which should it's happening right in front of our eyes, and we should be absolutely crossing anytime now, so that is pretty good news. If we go back to the daily, guys, you can see something positive here for Bitcoin. You can see that Bitcoin has formed these bottoms here. It had a bottom here that went down to 17. Then we had another bottom here, then we had another bottom here, and another bottom here at the support. So you can see that we're making higher lows. So that is pretty positive, and you can see that the overall trajectory of Bitcoin right now is kind of in this kind of direction. So we are definitely making higher lows from that perspective. Let's take a look at Bitcoin on the weekly. Let's see what's going on. So right now on the weekly, we can see that Bitcoin is up around about 12.5%. So that's not too shabby, We're moving well past the minor capitulation zone, so that is pretty cool beans in the house, guys. So that is looking good. I'm feeling positive. You should be feeling pretty positive, pretty pumped. And right now, let's take a look what's going on Dogecoin. Let's deep dive into Doge. Dogecoin has, as you guys can see here, I don't know if you can see it, but Dogecoin has definitely broken out of my descending channel here. It's broken out right now. So, and it's broken out with a little bit of volume. So hopefully this will be a confirmation that we are seeing. And now we're seeing this trend line. We're seeing higher lows here, here, and here. So it looks like Dogecoin is making a break to the upside. This bump and run pattern is still validated, and right now Dogecoin is just about to break 7 cents. So hopefully by the time I make my next video tonight, the wind is coming, that we should be seeing ourselves at 7 cents. And I think we're going to be following this trend line, and that will take us all the way up to 8 cents, guys. So if you love that, and I love you guys, smash the likes, subscribe, show some lovey, wovey, and don't forget, you can support the channel in a number of ways. Super chats are welcome. Become a member, guys. Absolutely do many things to support the channel. Buy the merch. All of it goes to charity out there. So you want it, I want it. So let's keep on keeping on right now. So we're seeing right now that this is from Stock Money Lizards, and we can see that time and time again, we can see that the Bitcoin goes through this first cycle, downward consolidation, then it rips up, guys, and then it goes back down, and then we have another rip to the next cycle. So we're seeing these 1, 2, 3 cycles, and right now we're seeing the next 1, 2, 3 cycle, and the third part of the cycle before we go back down again is going to be the pumpity pump, guys. So I'm loving it. You're loving it. Let's get it, guys. So guys, remember, when in doubt, zoom out, and you can see that time and time again, over 10 years, over many years, we can always see that Bitcoin goes uppity up, and we're in the 4th cycle right now. And and we're still the early adopters. So if you're loading up on Bitcoin right now, and I'm going to be loading up on some Bitcoin, actually I'm going to sneak about 100K worth of Bitcoin under the radar, so my wife doesn't find out, because my wife, she's like, no, buy any more Bitcoin, don't buy more Bitcoin. What happens if it dumps? Wives, they are very risk aversive, and they definitely don't want to be taking any risk. But I'm going to be pulling the trigger, guys. I'm going to be sneaky buying some Bitcoin, not telling my wife, OMG. And of course she's going to go, why did you do that? Why did you do that? And if Bitcoin dips below the current price, it's going to be bad news bears. But in 2024, 2025, when we have the next halving in June 2024, if I'm not mistaken, you're going to see 100, 200, 300,000 Bitcoin. And guess what? I'm going to be, oh, you're so smart, you're so intelligent, dear husband. But until then, it's going to be in the doghouse. So I'm going to be in the crapper, in the toilet for about about a year, guys. So I'm willing to live with it to make life-changing wealth, guys. So are you willing to risk it all? To risk it all, guys, to be rich and famous out there. So guys, I just thought I'd repeat this, and we're seeing that in the history of Bitcoin, we're seeing that 3 times that Bitcoin has gone up 30% in one day. So it's Mooney Moon 3 times 30%. It's Mooney Moon 20 times in the history at over 20%, and 110 times at 10%, and 392 times at 5%. So, you know, guys, zoom out, smell the coffee. And guys, I love this chart. This is a price temperature chart. If you had DCA'd every time we are in the yellow, in the green right now, you guys would be up like crazy. And right now we're in the green, guys. DCA, this is not financial advice. Get it, wake up, guys. It's a great time to smell the coffee. So you can see here that also the network right now has hit historical high in terms of transfer value. And right now this year we've overtaken 2021. The Bitcoin transfer value was 13 trillion, and right now so far we have hit 17.78 trillion. Some people are saying that we could see all-time highs coming even in 2022. I mean, I'm not that optimistic, but definitely we could be seeing $48,000 Bitcoin this year at the closing wozy, guys. So I'm still feeling pretty blessed, pretty thankful that we're still above 23,000, guys. OMG. And you know, only like 2 weeks ago, Bitcoin had gone down to 17,000, guys. What is up with that? So I was able to DCA. Hopefully you DCA. Guys, you should be winning. I should be winning. Everybody's winning. Dollar cost average hodl like a madman out there. And we're seeing that France's largest bank, BNP Paribas, has partnered with Meteco to offer Bitcoin and crypto services. Wow, this is huge, guys. And you know, still a lot of banks like Citibank, they still don't get it, guys. They still don't get it. You know, I had a big fight with Citibank here in Bangkok. You know, OMG, pain in the beep, boop. All I got to do is bang, kicking the balls for them. You know, so Citibank back office in Bangkok. You know, if you're watching this, all I want to say to you is you need a good kick in the nuts, guys. Out there, giving the OG a hard time. You know, like it's insane. So the Bitcoin mining operation Marathon announced that the company has secured 250 megawatts of new hosting deals. So, you know, Bitcoin mining operation Marathon, they're expanding, they're not collapsing, and that is pretty bullish news, guys. I'm on fire. I'm so pumped. I'm so psyched. And did you know that Bitcoin is now worth more than Visa, the world's largest payment company? And the biggest payment company right now is Bitcoin, Lightning Network, Dogecoin. Wow. And yesterday we saw that, you know, Ice Cube sent $600,000 over the Dogecoin network, and it only cost pennies, and it was lightning fast, guys. I love it, you love it. Let's get into the action. And right now we can see that daily transactions change compared to the 1st of January 2022. Phantom is number 1, Near Protocol, Ethereum, Polygon, BSC, Avalanche, and Celio. So guys, we can see that Phantom is still hugely popular for daily transaction change. And guys, and I know that a lot of you have been holding a lot of Phantom. I'm holding a ton of Phantom, and I want to thank Dragon out there. But Phantom has dumped, but it is coming back like a madman, guys. So hold, and don't worry, guys. We're going to be getting up there. Bitcoin is looking glorious on the weekly. We talked about that. And look at Ethereum. Ethereum is looking pretty good right now. It's at 1546. And you know, we had a lot of resistance here, but finally we broke out. We're getting a little bit of a rejection right now, guys. But hopefully we can get ourselves above this $1,600 level. This is extremely important that we break above that. If we cannot break above that, we could getting a little bit of rejection. But we are seeing that we're seeing higher lows right now, higher lows, and that is a very bullish sign for the cryptocurrency space and for Ethereum. We're seeing the DXY is coming down now, so that is pretty good. That's going to take a lot of pressure off the Dozier, Wozier, the BD, and the Euro should start to come back. But we had this whole scare in Russia that Russia is turning off the gas. The madman, Putin in the house is turning off the gas, and that is bad news, bears. That is not going to be good for the European economy, and that's going to cause the Euro to tankety tank, and that could push the DXY higher and higher, and that will put some downward pressure on BD. We don't want to see that. And right now, as I told you, that the Shiba Weeby woof in the house is going uppity up. It's at 1227, and it is definitely respecting my trend line, and we could be seeing 15 coming in pretty soon. So that is pretty good. And we have this kind of, nice wedge shaped pattern that is forming right here, guys. and that is pretty positive. If we can break out of this resistance level here, that is going to be cool beans. That'll take us up to 15. So get ready for the Shiba Weeby woof woof pumpity pump. And if we take a look at the monthly Bitcoin returns, we can see that July right now we're up 17.18%. So that is glorious. That is glorious because we've seen so far this year, January poo schmata in the toilet, flush. We're seeing that February was okay, March was okay, April was a turd out there, May was a turd, and June was like the worst month ever. So hopefully this is not a bear trap. This is just, you know, a bear trap and then some collapsy wapsy. So far July has been the best month ever for crypto, for Bitcoin. Let's get it, guys. It's a great time to be alive. Let's take a look at the cryptocurrency in terms of the total market cap overview. 108, guys and gals. I love it. 75.8 billion. So people are getting interested again. We're seeing more retail investors kind of slowly flowing back in, guys. The FOMO hasn't started yet. Are we in a bull run? Is the bottom in? I believe the bottom is absolutely in, and we could see a reversal, and the bull run could start happening again, guys. I hope so. OMG. And we're seeing that the Bitcoin dominance is also going down. So that is pretty good news out there, guys. So guys and gals, don't forget to follow me on my Twitter, guys. Get it. Follow like a madman. Let's get this up to 5,000 followers. What are you waiting for? Waiting for Christmas out there. And guys, don't forget to go down, check out all my links, guys, and get your freaking crypto off, centralized exchange. Get them off lending platforms out there. Celsius, shame on you. Alex Beninsky, rope on the soap. I don't like you, brother. And it looks like you could be waiting years and years before you see any light of day for money. Get your crypto off lending platforms, get them off exchanges, and get a hardware wallet. What are you waiting for? My code is down there. Get it. It's everywhere. Get it, guys. And don't forget to check out the merch, guys. Get the mug to mug, get the cap to cap. I love it. You love it. It's a great time to be alive, guys. So, I just want to say, guys and gals, I want to say to all of you out there, God bless you. I love it. I love you guys. I love you guys to death. Show some love for the OG. Absolutely show some love for the OG. You want it, guys. I'm on the top of the world. Crypto's going nuts. I just want to say peace out, brothers and sisters. I love it. God bless you. I'll see you in the next one. Absolutely, I'll see you in the next one. I'll see you. Peace out.